feeding your curiosity, fueling our passion. Let's satisfy our quest for knowledge with today's question.
Ring doorbells don't work with 6 GHz Wi-Fi because they only connect to 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz bands. The 6 GHz band is new and faster, but most smart devices, including Ring, aren't compatible yet. To fix connection issues, just switch your router to 2.4 GHz or 5 GHz during setup for a stable, reliable signal.
Another mystery solved, but many more await. Keep up with our daily discoveries by subscribing and turning on notifications.